Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car and put on your lab coats, because today we have some experimentation to do. Now, we've played with House of Color Kandy Concentrates before. We've used the Voodoo Violet, we've used the Candy Apple Red, awesome products for very cool effects. But look at what I found. This right here is House of Color Black Candy. I didn't even know that they made black candy. I found it on a website called Coast Airbrush, and as far as I know, that's the only website that carries it. What the heck does black candy look like? We're going to find out today. Enjoy the video. Now, of course, we can take some black candy concentrate and mix it into some glossy top coat, pick one random color, and go straight to full scale. But where's the fun in that? I want to experiment and play. We have no idea what the black candy concentrate is actually going to do to the color underneath it and what effect it's going to give us. And I want to see what it's going to look like over a variety of different colors. So look at this. Check out this beautiful spread that Gabe just finished spraying for us. What we have here is ZTG HyperShift Pearl, GC47 Alien Pearl, Pure Gold Alloy, Carbon Red, Sterling Silver Alloy, and Carbon Blue. This will give us a really nice idea of exactly how the candy concentrate is going to impact these colors. Then we can look together with you guys, pick one that we like the most, and take it full scale. Let's jump right in. All right, guys, we're all done with today's experiment. We let all the speed shapes dry up. Now, each one of the speed shapes got 3 full wet coats of the black Kandy Concentrate, except the blue one got 4 coats, and the silver one actually needed 5 coats. It looks like the brighter and lighter the base coat, the more coats or the more black Kandy Concentrate you need to get the effect that you're looking for, which I guess kind of makes sense. Now, I'm not sure what my expectations were going into this project, but it's fair to say the way these speed shapes look, it exceeded my expectations. They look completely insane. I can't wait to get them outside for you to check them out. Now, the most important thing about today's video, take a look at the end results and leave a comment below and let me know what color you want us to use as a base coat for black Kandy, full scale on a whole car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car and put on your lab coat. Shit, you know what, dude? We should get lab coats. Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car and put on your lab coats, because today we've got some experimentation to do. We've used some, what the hell is it called? House of Color, goddamn. A bunch of different colors and effects to test the black Kandy over. We've got ZTG HyperShift. We've got, what the fuck is this one again?